Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by installing and signing in. This gives Word permission to sync and save. Once done, grant access to files and photos so documents open directly from the Files app. Tap the Word icon, then choose New Document or Browse to open an existing. Docx from OneDrive, iCloud Drive, or on my iPhone. Make sure autosave is on when using OneDrive. That prevents data loss. Now you have the app ready and a document open. Let's edit. You'll use the toolbar across the bottom and ribbon at the top. Tap Home to change font, size, and alignment, and Insert to add images, tables, or links. Once done with basic edits, apply styles to create consistent headings. This helps navigation and exports. If you collaborate, turn on track changes and add comments via the review menu. Make sure to use Find to replace repeated text. It saves time. If you need precise selection, long press a word and drag the handles. When you finish, save to OneDrive or iCloud Drive so changes sync across devices. If you need a locked copy, export as PDF. To share, tap Share, choose Send a copy or share link, and set editing permissions or expiration for safety. If collaborators can't see updates, force close Word and reopen it, check your Wi-Fi or cellular connection, and confirm you're signed into the correct Microsoft account. If files still won't sync, open Files app to confirm the document location and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.